Hey everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Yet another video. I'm going to do two of the projects, one with recycling products and one with a new one. So this one is actually a tofu box. So this is actually a very strong box. I didn't feel like throwing it because it's like good plastic. It's plastic and again, it's kind of strong. So I didn't feel like throwing it. So I wanted to use it. I wanted to think about a project that I can work on. So, and I also saw this, our ice cream cups that we had. So the ice cream cups, this is also a very strong cup. I mean, it's got like nice scalloped design to it. So I thought like I'll also use this as a pedestal. So I'm thinking like something like this. So maybe I can, make it as a planter to put silk flowers, or I want to do some, jewelry holder kind of thing. So this is how I'm thinking as of now. So I'm going to use paint one of these two colors, white, or maybe I'll mix these two colors, and then I want to give the color to this, both of the tofu box and the ice cream cup. And yeah, I wanted to work on this. And basically I want to recycle the stuff that I'm having because these both are plastic, so I want to make use of it. So this is one, and I'm going to the dowels that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to use these dowels to make macrame feathers, and I've seen that a lot of people in the YouTube have done it, so I wanted to do try my hand on it. So I'm going to do one with white wool. I don't remember where I got this. I think it's from Dollar Tree or maybe like Michael's. I don't really remember. It's lying in my craft room from a long time. So I like this white or beigeish yarn. It's so pretty. So I thought like I'll make one feather with this, and I also want to make one or two feathers from this as well. Like I want to do one green and one with jute twine, like regular jute twine, and then the green jute. So yeah, this is the plan. I'm planning to do like 3 macrame feathers and then 2 of the pedestaled box. And yeah, I'll periodically update you on that. So I want to do the prep work and then I'll be back. So I just combed the feather. That's why I'm showing on the bright background so you can see what I'm doing it. So this is the combed wool. So I'm going to ball it together and to do some project with this. So I'm not going to throw this. So I'm going to use it also. So what I'll do is basically I'm going to stick the top two together like this. To give the feather effect. Could burn your hand, but yeah, just be careful about not burning your hand like that. I could use the school glue, but this won't work for the yarn or wool. It would be helpful for jute. It can be used for jute, but not for this one. So I had to use hot glue in this situation. So I kind of got this one. Now I'm gonna cut it. Now I'm gonna cut. like that. So I'm going to cut the other side too. So yeah, this is how this is one woolen macrame feather. I'm going to put it in a flower vase like that. So I'm going to do the rest of other two also, and I'll be back. Hey, welcome back. I just completed all the 3 macrame feathers, and I showed you the white feather, and I trimmed a little more to give the leaf shape. So yeah, this is one. I think this is the most beautiful one. But and again, I also did one with the jute twine, the green one. I think I like this one the most. And I also did one with the regular jute twine. So what I did off the camera was just I applied school glue to the feathers like this towards all the surface of the feather, and then I just shaped it like a leaf, and then I left it like that for a few hours, and then once it dried, then I combed it back and I trimmed. So that's what I did for these two jute twine. So yeah, this is the quick update on this one, and I'm getting all the things together to work on the other one, and I'll be back. So I'm back. So I changed the plan, you guys. I went with the green. When I stuck in green and purple like that, it looks better than blue. So I thought I'll go, because this is one of the colors of Tinkerbell, one of my favorite characters. So I'm going with this color. So I'm going to stuck like this. I didn't realize I cut short. I'm going to fill that spot. So I also stuff piece of thermocol and styrofoam, and I wanted to give like for stuffing the flowers there. And I also covered the borders with a used napkin. Like that. Don't you love it? So I'm going to stuff flowers like this. Like so. So I ran out of one flower less, so I'm going to use carnation. These are the peonies that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to stick it in the back because they're also white and pink. So I'm going to decorate like this. I'm going to put some glass gems around to just give like a glossy effect, or maybe like a dewdrop effect. Like that. So basically we didn't waste the tofu box plastic, and then we used also the ice cream cup that is also a plastic. So we reused both together to give like a planter, and using all the Dollar Tree products, you guys. So I'm feeling good about it. So this is one project that I turned from the waste plastic. This is one from the Dollar Tree twine, jute twine. So yeah, this is how I'm going to decorate. So tell me which one is your favorite in the comment box. So yeah, this is how I'm going to decorate. So I'm very happy how it turned out because I'm feeling good about that, not wasting plastic and things like that around the house. So making use of it and upcycling or recycling, whatever you may call. So yeah, this is two of the projects that I want to share with you all. I hope you enjoyed working along with me, And yeah, please leave your comments in the comment section for any suggestions or any how you like it. So whatever be it, so please leave the comment. And yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like and share. And yeah, don't forget to click on bell icon for me, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.